What's up, my mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of Karl Lagerfeld's Bois De Cedre. But before I get into that, I'm going to let you know what fragrance I'm wearing today, and that is Valentino's Uomo Acqua. This is a fresh and somewhat dense men's fragrance. It's quite rich for an aquatic men's scent, and that helps make it a little unique and helps make it stand out from other men's aquatic fragrances. You could say it's similar to Invictus Aqua, but it's not as animalic or as dense, and I find that can be quite offensive if you overspray it, whereas this does retain a touch of lightness and that really fresh, beachy vibe, but with the performance of something closer to an eau de parfum. It's a great summer scent. It's about 27 degrees here today, as you can tell by no biker jacket or anything like that. And yeah, I really recommend this one if you're after a more powerful men's summer fragrance. You could probably get away with wearing this year-round though. Maybe not like absolute zero weather, you know, snowfall, all of that jazz. But as far as a men's fragrance, versatile year-round, has great performance, good notes, just a great fragrance. So check that one out if you haven't already. It's a good brand, by the way, as well, as you probably know. Now, as for Bois De Cedre, I purposely didn't look up a single thing, just so I can give you like a real honest first impressions. So yeah, still security sealed, as you can see here. And so let's get this open. I've got Bois De Cedre, and that's a pretty good scent. I might pick up Bois De Yuzu, I think it is. Packaging is nice. It's got a textured sort of look to it. Yeah, you can see it there. Blue, black, white accents. It's a classy look. I really enjoy this one. So, Karl Lagerfeld, Eau de Toilette, 100 ml, 3.3 fluid ounces. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a very complex mechanism here. Ooh. So yeah, it's like a different color to Bois De Cedre, but it's basically the same sort of design. I really like the look of this one. It's really classy. So if you're just looking at the liquid itself, or it might be the bottle, blue, so you would expect a blue fragrance. Well, let's give it a crack, why don't we? And I'll spray it on my hand. Let some of the alcohol dry off a bit. Ooh, interesting. There is a freshness to this one, but it's also quite woody. It reminds me a little bit of the smell of fresh linen. It's got a fresh linen vibe to it. I do get wood, obviously that's going to be cedar. I get citruses, grapefruit in particular, maybe some lemon or some lemon essential oil. It's definitely not a blue fragrance. It's aromatic, it's green, it's woody. It's really classy. This is a really classy scent, but it's got a lightness to it. So it's not like something like, you know, Bulgari's Man in Black, for example. This is a fragrance that is fresh, it's woody, and it's unique. It's gonna make you stand out from the crowd. I imagine this being super versatile. I mean, this is really going to be a versatile fragrance. However, in saying that, I don't think the performance is going to be exceptional. I'm predicting about 6 hours. I really like this one. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this. This is easily the best Lagerfeld fragrance that I've smelt so far. It's super unique. I want to say that it's almost unisex. It just, there's something about it that's not entirely masculine. Like I've said originally, it doesn't matter what your gender is, what your identity is, wear whatever fragrance you want whenever you want to wear it. But to my nose, this is borderline unisex. I think if you're a woman that likes slightly masculine smelling fragrances, definitely check this one out. I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10 so far. Just my first impressions, it's an 8 out of 10 fragrance. Ah man. It has no sweetness. There's barely any sweetness. I mean, there is a touch, and I mean ever so slight touch of sweetness that you get from that tart grapefruit note that I picked up in the opening, and that tart essential oil lemon note as well. But apart from that, it's like aromatic, it's green, it's fresh, and then it has this like slightly spicy, woodsy cedar note as well. Definitely a great fragrance, and I'm going to be wearing this one around. I'm going to wear this after I shower tonight because I think it's going to be great for that. It's not aquatic, but you could probably use this one in the place of an aquatic fragrance just because of how fresh it is. I find that Bois De Cedre by Lagerfeld was also quite fresh, but it had that spicy vetiver note in it. This is less spicy, obviously, but it's got that slightly spicy cedar note. Yeah, this one surprised me. I'm a fan of this one. So yeah, have you ever worn Bois De Cedre before? So, if you've ever worn Bois De Cedre before, let me know in the comments below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube. I'll catch you guys around.